what children learn in year one. Now, in order to understand what a noun phrase is, children first need to learn what a noun is. So they would start learning this in year one. And a noun is a thing. It's anything that you can touch, anything you can feel, smell, hear. That is a noun. So, for example, cat, dog, house are all nouns, everyday items around your house. So you could say to your child, go and get me a book, go and get me a cup, go and get me a pencil, pen, whatever. All of those things that they can go and get that are tangible, car, table, anything like that, that they can touch, those are all nouns. So children need to understand that things are nouns. So that's the first thing that they would learn in year one. Now, the purpose of year one is to develop their vocabulary in order to have enough words in their memory bank to be able to use in order to turn them into sentences. So the point of year one is to build their vocabulary, label things, and understand that the things that they're labeling are nouns. Okay, so they also need to recognize the spelling of those things. So spelling and recognizing words is a big part of year one. So cat, dog, house, table, those are the pictures, those are the words. They need to know what they are. Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I have been a teacher for 30 years now. And I also tutor children for their SATs, the 11 plus, and their foundation GCSEs in English and maths. If you'd actually like to join my parent teacher Facebook group, support group, then I can answer them for you in there. The details are in the description below. I also have a free parent teacher magazine, which can be delivered straight into your inbox to support you again. And again, the details are in the description.